At Fastenal Manufacturing, we don't make common fasteners. And we don't just make fasteners. We make the unavailable part available. That includes turned and milled machine components like shafts, pin plates, blocks, and all kinds of specialty items. Everything from this to all of these. With deep experience in industries like oil and gas, food and bev, power generation, pulp and paper, heavy equipment, and many more. Our precision machining operations span 7 locations worldwide, more than 350 skilled machinists, and just under 220 CNC machines, including Swiss screw machines and a spectrum of multi-spindle, multi-axis machines capable of producing highly complex parts with extremely tight tolerances. Using this equipment, we can make parts from as small as 1/16 inch diameter up to 18.1 inch diameter, with a maximum turning length of 82.7 inches and the ability to set tolerances as tight as 1/10,000th of an inch for the most demanding precision applications. To anticipate our customers' needs, we stock more than 4.5 million pounds of raw materials, from common steels to exotic alloys to plastics and composites. Bottom line, if it can be turned, milled, or machined, chances are we've done it. Last year alone, we completed more than 55,000 machining jobs and produced well over 8 million individual machine parts, from OEM production components to replacement parts for mission-critical equipment to prototypes for new innovations. Each item a solution for a customer in need. So, how does raw material end up as a complex part like this? Let's take a look at one of our 5-axis machines in action. This particular job involves 22 operations. That includes creating a custom Acme thread on the outside of the part, multiple turning operations to groove and surface the outside diameter of the piece, milling to form the pockets on the front, and finally, various drilling and milling operations to create the 4 bosses on the back. The result is a high-precision plug used in a pump for the oil and gas industry, with tolerances less than 5/1000ths of an inch. The final step, as always, is to confirm that the part meets or exceeds the customer specifications in one of our A2LA accredited quality labs. With millions of dollars in lab equipment and some of the most experienced quality personnel in the industry, we ensure perfection with every job. Looking for premium quality machine parts backed by legendary Fastenal customer service? Contact your local Fastenal store to learn more and connect with our team of field engineers.
Fastenal Manufacturing. We make the unavailable part available.